So Ryan asks, how about glass cooktops? Where do you find those affordably? So it's a great question, Ryan. And, I've had really good luck just finding old, broken ranges. You can find them. I found them at our metal salvage place, like the dump. If your dump has a metal, separate metal section where people take their old appliances and stuff, there'll usually be a bunch of them sitting there. And I just go ask the guys, I say, I just want to cut the glass out of there. And they'll say, no problem. I've gone to like places that take appliances from people, like places that sell appliances and have the old, uninstall the old ones from their homes, and they'll often have like a whole farm of dead ones out in the back. And same thing, I'll go ask the service guys and say, hey, and I'll usually offer to buy them. I'll say, hey, can I buy the glass lid off of one of those if I just go take it off? And I say I brought my tools, and they usually do, and I've gotten them for like $5 or $20 or free, depending on who I talk to and how they're feeling that day. So pretty much salvage places, anywhere that you think you're going to find dead ones. And if you're in an area where you don't have access to those, I think it's worth a Craigslist ad. And just say, hey, I'll come pick up your dead glass top kitchen range. Because I guarantee you there's someone with no truck, who has a kitchen range that they just dragged out the back door and threw it out by the woodshed and put the new one in, and still like, oh, I'll get that to the dump one of these days. And they would jump at the opportunity for someone to come haul it away. And that's how I've gotten kiln bricks as well. Same kind of thing. And salvage bricks. A lot of times people will just see that stuff as a pile of stuff that's been on their property for a long time. So that's my best answer for finding ceramic glass, Ryan. I haven't really had much luck finding a full-size cooktops new. There are some, but they're real expensive. You can buy pieces of glass new that aren't too expensive on places like eBay. And maybe we can get Belgian Gulch there to start stocking a few regular sizes Robacks in his store. I'm not sure if that's a viable piece of material or not, but it might be. But at any rate, that's the best way to go about sourcing that glass, as far as I know, Ryan. And you can use plain Robacks. It doesn't need to be the cooktop style. The cooktop style tends to be opaque and kind of has texture on one side, whereas the Robacks is usually more clear with an orange or a green tint, and it usually is just like glass, smooth on both sides. So there you go.